Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you are new to here, my name is Fatah Abukar and this is my YouTube channel. Guys, what's happening in Somalia today is a tragedy that the foreign company has been given control of Aden Adde International Airport in Mogadishu, Somalia. So sad, it's really so sad, guys. Okay, while the Somali workers who rightfully hold those jobs have been dismissed and replaced with foreign workers from Turkey. So sad, guys. Somalia, a country once was a sovereign nation, has now fallen under a foreign control and its own citizens. So sad, guys, so sad. The rightful owners of the land has become strangers in their own country, in their own land, living in humiliation and neglect, treated as refugees by the rest of the world. I am deeply saddened what has happened to Somali workers who have been terminated from their jobs at the Mogadishu airport. So sad, guys. Okay, what this Turkish company Favori is doing in Mogadishu, because this is the company that has been given to run the airport operations, okay, in Mogadishu, Somalia, and the Somali government has really authorized them, okay, has given them that authority to control and run operations at the airport in Mogadishu, Aden Adde, Somalia. So the managers of that company are decided, okay, and they have signed a deal with the Mogadishu airport manager and a civil aviation authority in Somalia, okay. So they decided to hand over them and give them every single month. They decided to give them every month a $30,000 to airport manager, and they have also decided to fire and dismiss and terminate Somali workers from their jobs, really, and replace with foreign workers from Turkey. So sad, how can you allow a foreign company to control your airport and at the same time to fire your employees, okay, the local citizens of the country, okay, to replace foreign workers from overseas. It is so sad, and I'm deeply saddened by what has happened to Somali workers, guys, okay. So I just want to show I just want to tell the world and international community that this is Somalia, okay, and this is how Somali people, Somali government is behaving. So if there is a ILO, International Labor Organization, okay, I'm just sending my message to ILO, International Labor Organization, to intervene, okay, what's happening in Somalia, because I'm getting a message from Somalia and Mogadishu, okay, and it's really tragedy, what's happening there, guys, okay. How can a Turkish company can really fire Somali workers, okay, and replace with Turkish workers from Turkey, okay? Who has given that authority, okay? So sad, okay. Shame on Somali so-called leaders, okay. They are not really politicians, they are not leaders, really. They are gangsters, okay. Somali politicians, okay. We cannot call them a real politicians, okay. Shame on them, okay. They are really so-called politicians, okay, and they don't have really humanity, okay, and they lack lack of discipline, okay, and lack of experience and knowledge, okay. So we can call them gangsters, okay. I'm talking about Somali politicians, guys. Somalia is the most corrupted country in the world, guys, okay. See what's happening there. I'm so sad, what has happened to them, guys. So let me play this video for you, okay. So one of the employees there who really he spoke. He really, you know, this man is, he has been working this company Favori, and is really speaking to the media today. So let's play for you. Let's listen what he had to say, guys. Okay. Yeah, he's speaking Somali language, but he's saying that, okay, our jobs have been terminated and dismissed by a Turkish company, company Favori, okay, and they are going to replace us, okay, with a Turkish workers, okay, from Turkey. That's so sad, you know, guys, okay. And he's telling the media that you know, where this is happening is his country, you know, okay, in Somalia, okay. Guys, I'm so sad, you know. Somalia, I don't know where it's heading to, but it's going somewhere. I don't know where this ends, but remains to be seen, okay. But we have to really stand up and fight for our rights, okay. That's the only thing, that's the only message I want to send to Somali youth, okay. We have to shake this country, okay. You come up, okay, march on the streets, okay, and show that you have power, because 70% of the population in Somalia are youth. So see the potential Somalia has. We are the backbone, okay. We are the lifeline of the country, okay. So you know, if you go back in the history, okay, 1943 Somali Youth League, there were 13 men, okay, who really changed the entire system of the country. So we can change as well. Thank you, guys. If it's your first time watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video to all your friends and social media platforms, okay. My name is Fatah Abukar. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love. Cheers. Bye bye.